according to my baby girl, let's make puff puff. Don't mind me, puff puff. I can remember as a young girl, I can't go a week without having a taste of this beautiful puff puff. Few ingredients are needed. The flour, which I just added 3 cups of the flour, the 250 ml. Then we'll be going in with our sugar, our salt, because what I'm about making is called coconut puff puff. So I'm using the coconut cream, the dried one. Then I'll be adding my yeast. We all know the essence of yeast. This is a dry yeast. I will keep stirring to incorporate well. I would have added cinnamon, but just like I said this is coconut puff puff. So adding our water, and this is the sachet water. We keep stirring, incorporating well. This time your hand needs to do the work. No longer using the spatula or the spoon. You have to make sure everything marry each other properly. Then you will cover for the yeast to ferment well alongside with the whole mixture. And how to know the yeast fermented well is that you keep this for like an hour plus, and when you come back you see the whole stuff have rise, just like when you're trying to make bread. Exactly. Or any of your lovely pastries, apart from meat pie, fish pies and the rest. Then you stir again, incorporate well, and while doing this, make sure your oil is already prepared there. It should be in a medium heat, not high, not low, so that the whole thing will cook well. And people find very difficult to scoop in off. I understand the struggle, but I'll advise some. You can get the scoop in the market. They have different scoop, or use the manual one, or probably use your swan can, pour in, or your nylon to make it easy for you. But for me, I find it easy using my hand to scoop and to put the portion I want. And when it gets to this, make sure it cooks well. That's why I say it should be in a medium heat, not so high, not so low, so it could cook properly. And you keep rolling around to make sure the whole thing fries well. And when you get this golden brown color, yes, it reveals that your puff puff is ready. Please, for more of this kind of videos, subscribe, like and share.